Example 16 on page 521, define and simplify. Assume that no radicants were formed by raising negative numbers to even powers. So make sure that there's no negative radicants inside even root of radicals. Now we don't have to worry, because when we got the radicants 80 and 5 are positive numbers, even though we have even root, but because the radicants are 80 and 5 are positive, we don't have to worry. Solution. Now, this is a quotient of radicals, right? So, to simplify this quotient, we're going to use the quotient rule for radicals. So the quotient rule for radicals is when you have A, k root, divided by B, k roots. As long as you have radical with the same k root, you can write E2 as one radical with the same k root and maintain the division A divided by B. So divide the radicants. Okay, so I'm going to apply this rule here because we have radicals with the same k roots. For this k roots is 2, for this k root is 2. So they are the same radicals. So square root of 80 divided by square root of 5. Using the quotient rules for radicals, we're going to combine these two as one radical, same k root, which is 2, and then divide the radicals. Take 80 divided by 5. Now 80 divided by 5 is, let's see, 80 divided by 5, 1 times 5 is 5, subtracts, you have 3, carry 0, 6, 6 times 5, 30, 0. So 80 divided by 5 is 16, so you have square root of 16, okay? Now you're not done yet, because 16 is not a prime number, so you can factor out 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, and 2. So 16 is equal to 2, there are 4 2's, right? So 2 raised to the 4th power. So you can rewriting this square root of 16 as square root of 2 to the 4th power. Now, we learned this rule, A raised to the n power, and root, you can simplify this to A raised to n divided by n, okay? So I'm going to apply this rule that we learned earlier. So we have 2 raised to the 4th power, right? Which is A raised to n power. You can rewriting this as 2 raised to 4 divided by the roots, right? Which is n right here. What we have is square root. You don't see it, but it means 2 here. So divide by 2. This is square root. Not written, but it means there is a 2 here, okay? So that's why I divide by 2 here. This 2 comes from the second root, okay? But normally we don't write it for square root. Simplify this equal to 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 squared is 4. So the answer for simplifying this quotient of radicals is 4.